You think you need a new laptop computer today. Dell is offering a beauty for $1,300. You've seen a similar system on eBay for only $900. The choice may seem obvious, but there are several factors you need to consider. The laptop on eBay is cheaper, but that Buy It Now link means that you need the money immediately. You don't have $900. Dell is offering a deal which includes no payment for 30 days, followed by 48 payments of only $45 per month, and all college students qualify. You could swing that. The laptop from Dell costs $400 more, and the financing means you'll pay even more than that with interest, but it's more affordable on a monthly basis. You choose to go with the more expensive option. In this case, it may be the only possible way to get the laptop. But how much are you actually paying for the computer? $45 a month for 4 years amounts to an effective interest rate of about 28%, which means you're actually paying $2,160 for a $1,300 laptop. Maybe the walk to the computer lab isn't that bad. Most lotteries offer you the choice of taking the money as a lump sum or taking payments over a period of time, generally about 30 years. By now, you should recognize that $30 million over 30 years isn't the same as $1 million every year. The Powerball prize in August of 2001 was $295 million, one of the largest prizes ever. The winner could take the prize in 30 equal payments of approximately $10 million, or as a lump sum of $165 million. Why does the lump sum payment seem to be so much less? The Lottery Authority doesn't have $295 million on hand. They're counting on compounding interest to allow them to pay out $10 million each year for the next 30 years. If they pay out a lump sum, they lose that interest. Therefore, the present value of $10 million a year to the Lottery Authority is $165 million. You don't need to win $1 million in order to have $1 million. Start saving when you graduate and you can retire a millionaire. If a 25-year-old can save as little as $158 a month and earn an average rate of 10% a year, at the end of 40 years, they'll have $1 million, all due to compound interest. There are several options available to a business that needs to borrow money. The most common option is a term loan.
Term loans are typically used for fixed asset acquisition like equipment or real estate. The range of the loan will depend on the type of equipment and how it will depreciate. We typically finance equipment over a 5 or 7 year period. We want to be out of our loan before that equipment exceeds its useful life. The same is true with real estate. We will typically finance real estate with a 15 or 20 year amortization, which closely matches the useful life of that building.
Term loans are amortized, which means the borrower pays back some of the principal and some of the interest in each payment to the bank. Most amortized loans are fixed payment loans in which all payments are equal.
With a fixed payment loan, more of your payment goes towards interest at the beginning, but as the loan progresses, more will go towards principal.
In some cases, the borrower may choose to pay equal amounts to the principal in each payment.
Some of our customers will ask us to structure the loan so that they have a set principal payment each month. We will then take the interest and add that on top of that principal payment, so their payment will change from month to month. At the beginning of the loan, their payments will be higher because they will include that interest, but as the principal pays down, their payments will become smaller towards the end of the loan.
This benefits the borrower if they can afford the higher payments because they're paying less interest overall. The amount of principal is reduced faster, so they're paying less interest to the bank.